It is time for some GPD extended review. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome people, welcome back to a new video. And today we're going to talk about the GPD again. Yes people, but in this video we're going to do a little bit of a gameplay about the N64 on the system. In my main video I will put them in the playlist and I'll put a link in the comment section. In this playlist you'll find my main review about the GPD, but I didn't do anything of a big gameplay review about the games itself, because it is possible on these devices that one game is running just perfect and the other one is running just horrible. So in this video I'm going to test out the N64. So game on! Alright, the sound is stuttering a little bit sometimes. Oh yeah, that was the hell how to do it. It seems that the game is running just smooth like the original one. Long time I played this. Okay, jump. Oh yeah. So yeah people, for the final conclusion, the N64 part on the system is really awesome. The games are running just great. No weird glitchy or any problems. Overall, the N64 part works just great on the system. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more wicked videos. And stay strong, stay positive, and game on! Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, I don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.